Hi dear students, here in this video I'm going to discuss about the tenses and that too the first part of tense, simple present tense. Let's learn the rules of simple present tense and the places where we have to use and all the other details. Let's go with that. We are using simple present tense to say about facts, and at the same time we are using the same tense form to say about habits and daily routines also. Here you can see some examples for both habits, routines and facts. Go with the examples. Let's see how we are framing a sentence using simple present tense when we are making a normal statement or an affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentences are already learned by you in your previous classes, and as you know, it is a normal statement. Let's see the framing of sentences. You can see the format here. We have a subject, a verb, and then an object. Let's see the sentences. I read every day. You read every day. But when it comes to he, she and it, please see there is an S also added there, which means he, she and it are singular subjects and there will be an S or ES added with the verb form. Rest all the subjects I, you, we, they, all of them will have only read. Please see the difference. The next one is forming negative sentences. I do not read every day. You do not read every day. We do not read every day. They do not read every day. Here also we can see that when we are using he, she, it or singular subject, we have to see instead of do, does is being used. And when we are framing in negative, just see I don't read every day. It means just with the subject and do, you will be adding the negative not also. I do not read every day. Do not is shortly called as don't. Please see here also in the singular subject we are using does not or doesn't instead of do not. The next form of sentences which we have to be careful while using this tense form is the questions or interrogatives and their short answers. Let's go with it. Here you can see that the question is starting with do for the plural subject and does for the singular subject. And the same way, when answer comes also, you can see that for the singular subject, does or doesn't will be coming as the answer. And for the plural subject, do or don't will be coming as the answer. Now it's time for us to check whether you have clearly understood all the things which we have discussed in this video. Here I am giving 3 or 4 sets of exercise which you can try using your learning right now. Okay? Here you are expected to complete the sentence by using the exact verb form suitable for the sentence. In the first part, you are asked to write the affirmatives and negatives suitably in the sentence. And in the second part, in the second exercise, you are not given any specification. You can complete the sentence accordingly and correctly using the verb form which is given in the bracket. Choose the verb form and select the suitable verb form apt for the part of the sentence. That's what you have to do. Now when we are thinking about the third one, you have to do the corrections whether necessary or not. Some part of the sentence are not used correctly in some sentence, which means some sentences have wrong usage there. You have to find out which all sentences are wrongly done there That mistake you have to clear and you have to do it like that. Hope you understood the part of the lesson. It's time for me to wind up. Thank you. Have a nice day.